LogiqBoard. Let's dive straight in. Let's create a board. Clicking here on the blue, and let us input our name, John, which you can see in the bottom right, and we can create a diagram, so you can put your pieces as you see fit. You can speed the whole thing up if you're putting in the start of a game by just clicking the set board option for a game of chess, and you can always delete the position by pressing clear and starting again. Supposing we wanted to show a particular position, something like this, and we want to be able to share that position or use that position again, we need a way to save it. Well, we go to the menu on the top left. Now we can export the image if we wish. By clicking on that, we will create a chessboard image, thus, and we can use that in diagrams. Alternatively, we can save this, and when we save it, it will create a particular type of file called a JSON file, and this file is the same file that we could then subsequently load. If we load that file and then we go to our JSON and we click on here, we could open this and we could find a previous position. So this is the mechanism by which we save a position and then we import that position. We can show chess pieces, we can show other sorts of pieces, fairy pieces, drafts pieces, and we can show a game from either the black side or for the white side. So if I were to quickly set up again, set the board up, I can show you that by flipping the board we can just change who we are playing against, which is quite nice. So this becomes very important if we are playing against somebody else. How do we play against somebody else? Well, we have to send them the link. You can see that this board is on a particular URL, and to save you from having to copy and paste that, you can just click the link on the top right here. By clicking that, that link is copied to your clipboard. You can then send that via message or email or chat to somebody that you want to interact with. And so that means you've got a playing platform here where we can each play the moves, and you can add more than one other person. You can add several other people, and that way you can have a group of people, for example, within a Zoom meeting or a Skype meeting or Teams meeting, to discuss the position. It may be that you want to discuss particular points, and we'll be explaining using these symbols here. So you can scroll through, there's different sorts of symbols here. This might be illustrating where the white pawns can attack, and you can also designate squares as having a circle in them, or perhaps a square, and you can change the colors of these so that you can illustrate different concepts. So there's lots of flexibility in here. You can change what you've done by going back, and you can also go forwards as well. There are one or two other features here which you will discover when you use it. But the key point is that you can create any position and you can save that position using the menu, or you can actually just export the image. And then if you want to share this particular board, irrespective of the position, with somebody else, then you use the link and you send them the link, and that should do the trick. I hope that was helpful. Any questions, please comment below.